Welcome back to the Maineyak channel. It's been a while since I posted a video, and I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I've been up to and what I'm going to be doing for probably a while this year. I bought myself a school bus. This one here is a 2000 GMC Bluebird. Full size, 72 passenger. It's got a 454 Chevy big block V8 and an Allison transmission, hydraulic brakes. Like I said, it's a 2000, and I bought this for 1,500 bucks. It's fairly solid. It has 120 something thousand miles on it, and it runs like a top. There's really no issues with it that I've found yet anyway. Everything works, is in good working order. And I plan to make this into kind of just like a mobile hunting camp sort of thing. I've changed a couple things so far. I just put that steering wheel on. And of course you got to have the McDonald's to-go cup. Sorry if the video is a little shaky, but I'm using my cell phone. And I've already started taking the seats out of it this morning. The seats are actually in pretty good shape, and it has a full luggage, like overhead storage, and I just bought these cheap curtains from Walmart and hung them sideways with magnets for now. I'll show you how this works. I basically that's, you know, they're just kind of blackout curtains, and I can go the whole length of the bus. Eventually I'll get this sewed lengthwise so that there's a loop, and then I'll be able to put curtain rods up. That way we can just slide them instead of having to use the magnets. But yeah, today's project is removing the seats. They're coming out a little bit hard. I've had to use my impact and my air hammer and cutoff wheel, but slowly but surely. It's a nice 30-degree day up here in Maine. If it gets too cold, I can fire up this big old buddy heater. But yeah, anyway, I'm not going to do much for plumbing. I think it's just going to be kind of like a big living room sort of thing is what I'm thinking. Like maybe some shag carpeting in the back, and I will obviously put a heater in here, and maybe like a workbench with a cooktop. Maybe a couple futons or sleeper sofas or something like that. Well, let's start it up here. See how good she starts in the cold weather. Excellent. Yeah, 124,000 miles. Hello there. Oh yeah, it's got separate left and right wipers. It's got like 2 or 3 different rear heating units. The master heater. Right side heaters, defrost obviously. Still has the lights. Still has the lights, but they've been spray painted over. I do have a new stereo coming for it that'll go here, also with a PA microphone. Kind of neat. But yeah, $1,500. Why not, you know? Yeah, the engine's nice and quiet. It drives and shifts good. As soon as I bought it, I drove it home the next night, and yeah, these are the seats I've been taking out here. Big old monstrosity, but it is in pretty good shape. So I'm going to be posting some videos as I work on it, and I just figured before I got too far, I wanted to post a first video anyway, just to show where I've started from. And I've actually had this bus for 2 months now. I got it around Thanksgiving 2022. I did change already the headlights. I put some LED headlights in it, which are way brighter than the stock halogens. I did change all the interior lights to LED bulbs. That took a little while because there's 2 screws on every single lens, but yeah. You guys have a great day, and thanks for following. And hopefully I'll have this new series of videos as the bus build progresses. Have a great day. Well, I got another little update video here, making progress on the bus. I'm going to leave these first 3 rows in for now, but I was able to get all these 18 rear seats out. And what a pain in the ass. But we still got these 2 heater units here, and which I'm going to leave for now. I might either build around them, or I may just remove them completely. But yeah, all kinds of potential to figure out what sort of layout we're going to have back here. And I'll catch up with you guys soon. See ya.